Do you find yourself wondering how to use Facebook to grow your business? If you are a small business owner, I guarantee that you have. I'm Vanessa Konecki, and I am here with Staples Connect and WiseHer to help give you 5 things that you can do on your Facebook business right now that will help you to grow and use social media and the algorithms the way that they're intended so that you don't have to do quite as much work as you're probably doing right now. So, number one, focus on the value that you provide. Now, a lot of business owners struggle when it comes to talking about value because they're not entirely sure what value it is that their customers are looking for. People come to social media for one of 3 reasons. They come to build relationships, which means they're coming to see pictures of puppies that their friends posted, pictures of babies, checking in with their family. 2, they're coming in to be educated. Either they're doing a search to find the answer or they are asking for recommendations. Hey guys, where should I go to do what? And then the third reason that people come onto social media is to be entertained. They want to see a movie, they want to see a meme, they want to laugh, they want to cry, which means that if you want to be seen on social media as a business owner, you have to do one of those 3 things on your business page. You want to make sure that you are positioning yourself as an expert. And the best way to position yourself as an expert and also get their attention and give them what it is that they came to social media for is to answer questions that people ask you frequently. So for example, I get asked a question a lot, like, what do I post on social media? So I have posts in my business that basically are about what to post on social media, how to post on social media, how often should you post on social media. And I'll make posts about that fairly regularly because that is value added content that my audience wants to read. Number 2, make sure that you are using keywords in the posts that you write related to your target audience. Facebook is a word-based search engine, which means that when you make a post, what it does is it looks at all the words that you have in the post and identifies the topic that you're talking about in there. Words that are, I at the end of a sentence, like I like the Avengers, I like Jason Momoa, I like underwater basket weaving, or it's going to be activities, things like I like hiking. I like camping. I like running. I like, swimming, whatever those things are. I like cooking. So if you don't include keywords in what you write, then Facebook doesn't know what you're talking about. So many business owners have a tendency to write very vague language in an effort to appeal to the broadest general audience. There's no keyword in there. So Facebook looks at it, it has no idea who to show that content to. And so it basically says, sorry, and then it just won't show your content to anyone. Number 3, make sure that you are writing using a variety of posts. Facebook is determining what content to put in people's feeds. It also looks to create a little bit of variety. It doesn't want the person who is looking at the news feed to see only images and text or to see only GIFs and text. So it will look through whatever the entire library of posts are available at any given time, and it'll pull out a variety. If you play around with the different types of posts that Facebook offers, like using a poll, using a check-in, saying how you're feeling, things like that, there's not a lot of posts out there that use those tools. And so you're going to have a higher likelihood of ending up in your audience's feed. Number 4, be active on your personal profile. What? Sounds weird, right? In order to have a successful business, you have to be active on your personal profile, but absolutely. This is something that so many business owners don't realize. Think about Facebook as being a monopoly board. Okay, so Facebook is a monopoly board and all of the locations are like pages and stuff, right? So there's pages and groups and what have you. Your personal profile is the playing piece, okay? So if you don't use your personal profile, you don't even have a piece on the board. You're not even playing the game. You can have a page and a group and have all these other things out there, but if you're not using your personal profile, then you don't have a piece on the board and you're going to find that growing your business is incredibly difficult. Last but not least, go live. Facebook Lives produce 10 times more reach and engagement than any other type of content on social media. But I know that going live can be really scary for a lot of people, especially if it's not something that you're used to. So what I recommend is making a list of things that you earlier from the item 1 where you're giving value to people, make a list of those questions and those answers and start by recording videos. So start by recording a video where you're reading the question and you're basically giving the answer. After you've had a little bit more time practicing recording the videos, then go live and do the exact same thing. Make sure that they know it's happening, because otherwise people won't show up. So you'll want to send an email out. You'll want to make a post on your personal profile. You're going to want to make a post on your page, letting everyone know that this event is happening so that they'll actually show up. The last thing I'm going to leave you with is this: social media results are compounding. If you continue to implement them consistently over time, you will get to a point where you hit critical mass and suddenly you look back and you say, whoa, look at how great my business is doing. But it all starts with taking that one step and picking one thing off this list and getting it started now. Good luck, and I can't wait to see how it works for you.